Think about your best option here.
Probably stay here, to be honest.
Don't go past the truck, even if the white one does. No, stay where you are. Don't go too far over. Good call by everybody there. I was just going to say, don't go past the truck.
Yeah.
In case the truck comes the other way. How many people there? Person in front's done a good one. Good job there. How many people would have been a sheep and followed that yellow car?
Oh, once.
When we eventually get to the lights, we'll go straight on car.
They'd have all just started parking in the middle bit there, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
Fucking for
Good shout from the person in front. See, I can praise people. Very rare that I get opportunity to. It's normally like...
They're all just selfish most of the time, aren't they? They're not really bothered what was on.
And even if they did go past and be a sheep behind the yellow car, where can they go until the yellow car comes? Until it goes. Can't go anywhere, can they? And the entire junction would have been blocked off. 2 trucks wouldn't have been able to get through. At least.